Well, good morning, everybody. Well, how do you find this place? Nice, okay. So, we'll be here for the rest 3 days. That is today, tomorrow, and on Friday. And we will work here in this hall and in the library. The library is close to this place, you will see. Mr. Christos Zouvaras. He is, as you can see, I think, land surveyor, geometry for the Italians, okay, engineer, and he will analyze to us the subject, as you can see, local heritage as an important economic and social factor. 3 cases of the area. So, Mr. Zouvaras.
Thank you very much. Good morning to everyone. My name is Christos Zouvaras and I'm a land surveyor. Heritage as an important economic and social factor. The second, the timber factory of railway station of Katerini. And the third has to do with the Mount Olympus.
Good morning. My name is Katerini. I'm the economist of the Olympus National Park of Management Agency. As I see yesterday, you come in Olympus National Park, so you see some things about the Olympus National Park Management Agency.
The title is Co-working, Cooperation and Co-business. Professor Maidou is political scientist and business counselor.
I think that we will start with a video in order to rethink, and then we will start to talk a little bit about not only cooperation and cooperative, but also about social economy and how this philosophy could support the work that we are doing all these days here.
Very close to the city center of Gothenburg. It's a cooperative, and today there are about 10 employees, people from here employed because they might not have a job in the regular labor market for the moment.
So you can start now.
Place and go to the library.
Aslında şeye bak. Doğum günü reis ama.
No. Okay. I still say the last one. I like it.
Yeah. Do you want to take chairs so everyone?
What is it?